from ashes to bricks. The fires that forged Lego. Imagine losing everything, your life's work, up in smoke. This was Ole Kirk Christiansen's reality. Not once, but twice, fire ravaged his Lego factory. The first fire in 1942 destroyed almost everything. The second in 1960 wiped out their wooden toy stock. These were devastating blows, but Ole was not defined by setbacks. Rising stronger, Ole's unwavering spirit. Ole saw opportunity in the ashes. He rebuilt after the first fire, bigger and better. He had a vision to create toys that sparked children's imaginations. The second fire, though a setback, pushed him further. This time he made a bold decision. Lego would move away from wood and embrace plastic. This was a turning point. A world of plastic, a world of possibilities. Plastic offered new possibilities. It was durable, versatile, and could be molded into any shape. Ole saw this potential. In 1958, the iconic Lego brick was born. Its simple design, with its interlocking studs, unlocked endless creative possibilities. Children could build anything they could imagine. Lego wasn't just selling toys, they were selling the power of imagination. Lego building more than just toys. Lego's story is about more than just toys. It's about resilience, innovation, and the power of the human spirit. Ole's journey teaches us to embrace challenges. He turned setbacks into opportunities. He dared to dream and build something extraordinary. Lego inspires us to do the same. What will you build today?